Well, I'm ready to rumble. I was watching you, you were watching me. As soon as I walked in the room, I knew you had a score to settle. Your eyes told me real soon. If tonight's the night, then that's alright, 'cause I ain't backing down. Unless when I'm two, you're gonna learn I don't want you around. If tonight's the night,